Thank you, sir. Right now, sir.
Here. Oh.
Go around the council. We identify this year. That's one of the areas we want to do. On the spot assessment of what happened. I thank God that no any violence of the situation on ground so far and what had happened to those areas mentioned. And we are taking actions and we have embarked on full-scale investigation. We have set up a high-powered investigation team under the supervision of the DCCID to be assisted by the Assistant Commissioner of Police CID. We have seasoned officers who are going to investigate the case thoroughly and subsequently we'll submit our report to the Inspector General of Police.
Okay. When you visited some of the secretariats, we saw some of the officials, some of the council chairmen were there, some other council staff were also there, and security personnel. We saw you interacting with them. What was your message to those you met at this various secretariats?
I am preaching the gospel of peace to them. I am a peacemaker. I am an ambassador of peace. I am a represented peace, and blessing are for peacemakers. So my message to them is they should we should collaborate with everybody in the state to ensure safety and security, to maintain law and order, to have peace in the state. I was area commander in this axis. I was area commander Ahoda 2015-2016. Rivers State as a state has 23 local governments, and I was controlling 11 local governments then, 17 divisions. I was controlling Asari local government, Akokutoru local government, Degima local government, Abo Odua local government, Ahoda East, Ahoda West, Emoha, LGA, of course, Equeri, where I am here, Eche local government, Ibro Omuma, Umubulu. These 11 local governments I mentioned from Kalabari Kingdom to Eche, they are all under me then as area commander Ahoda. And I have 17 divisions as at that time. I was supervising them from Oboneman till you reach Eche. From Eche to Umubulu, they are all under my command. But currently we have about 4 area commands. We have Degema area command, made up of Buguma, Degema, Aboneman, and so far so good. These areas I mentioned, from Aboneman to this place up to Eche, it's not volatile as we claim it to be. There's a relative peace, and we'll continue to assure the public of their safety. We'll collaborate with all the critical stakeholders, both state and non-state actors, to ensure safety and security of the entire state.
Stay calm.